Hi guys, hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about today's video because I'm actually gonna show you guys my go-to makeup, hair, and outfit for when I'm like literally strapped for time, and this is just like bam, 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 easy to get done. Hopefully you'll find some tips and tricks. So let's get started off with sunscreen, because even when I'm in a rush, it's still super important. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier. This is the Foundation Primer SPF 30. And it's very moisturizing, it's lightweight, gives you that SPF 30 that you need. And then just give it, you know, a minute or two to sink in so that it's absorbed. You guys also know I'm very obsessed with Illuminator. I think it makes the biggest difference in your complexion and just really gives you that beamed up, healthy glow. So to save time, what I usually do is mix my Illuminator with my foundation. So I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown Extra and the Flower Light Illusion foundation. This will also help kind of sheer out the foundation, so it just looks a little bit more lightweight, not quite as full coverage. And I do find that full coverage looks tend to take me a little bit more time. And see, when I blend it out, it looks really lightweight, doesn't look or feel heavy either. This is the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer. I wear the shade Medium 36, and what I really like about this concealer, comes like this. Just pick it up with your finger, or you can apply it directly to your skin if you'd like. But I do feel like the heat from your fingers just helps make it a little bit more creamy. And then I'll use my sponge to just pick up any excess concealer that might just be sitting on top of my skin. I'm gonna quickly fill in my eyebrows. This is something that I do even when I'm in a pinch for time, because I do think that they frame your face and make you look a little bit more put together. So I'm just using the MAC eyebrow pencil in the shade Stud. I'll just apply it right to my brow and then use the spoolie to really blend it out so it looks a little bit more like hair-like strokes. I'm gonna do my bronzer, and I love doing a little bit of cream. It's just quick, easy, it blends out very naturally. I love this one from Physicians Formula. It's in the shade Toffee, and I just apply it directly to my skin, or sometimes I pick it up on a brush. Really just depends on my mood, but I do like to put the bronzer in the middle of my face. I think that helps warm up my complexion a bit. And then I'm just gonna blend this out with the clean side of my sponge. Sometimes I use a brush, just depends. Brushes work really well for blending this out as well, so you can really pick your weapon of choice. I'm gonna do a little bit of a matte powder bronzer just to set this cream in place all day. So I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola bronzer on an IT Cosmetics wand ball powder brush. And this will just make sure that the bronzer doesn't move around, stays in place, and gives me just a little bit more deeper of definition, because I do have a spray tan on, so that bronzer is not super dark on my skin tone right now, whereas when I don't have any tan on, it looks really nice and deep and dark. And I always hit the crease of my eyes with a little bit of bronzer, because again, you just never want to leave those eyelids naked. To set my under eyes and T-zone, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Powder. This one is in the shade number 2. And this is a Spicy Chalk number 8 brush. I'm just going to lightly tap this under my eyes, because that is a cream concealer. It does need to be set in place, or it does move around a little bit. It can tend to migrate, so I just like to give myself some added insurance with a little bit of powder. For blush, I'm gonna use one of my favorite fall shades, the Nude Sticks Nudies in Deep Maple A. And I just pick it up on my fingertips like this. I'm gonna lightly stipple this with my fingertips right onto the apple of my cheek, and look at how natural and gorgeous that color looks. I'm also going to use a cream highlights, because cream products are just a little bit faster. So I'm gonna take the Trestique highlights in the shade Maldives. Again, just pick it up with your finger straight out of the bullet. I'm gonna tap it on all the high points of my face, just using my fingertips. I'm gonna line my lips. Go-to lip liner, Urban Decay 1993. It's a nice fleshy brown. It practically exactly matches my lip color. I almost always overline because I like the look of bigger lips. So I'm just gonna, this is a waterproof longwear lip liner, so I'm just gonna give it a couple minutes to set down. So I'll do my eyes in the meantime. Just gonna curl my lashes. Ooh, I forgot to set my eyebrows. I'm gonna set them with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's amazing. It keeps your brows in place all day. It is industrial strength. And you can use the flat side of the applicator to lay the gel down on your eyebrows and then brush them upward. For mascara, I'm gonna use, I mean, it's just my new favorite, the Air Perez Avocado Waterproof Mascara. It is a clean, waterproof mascara. Genuinely so obsessed with this stuff. And also when I'm in a rush, I don't try to get, oh wow, there, just got mascara on my face. When I'm in a rush, I don't try to get really impactful, dramatic lashes because typically that takes me a little bit more time. I'll have to get a lash comb out and it's just a lot of work. So I'll just do 1 or 2 coats just to give myself more definition, but I'm not gonna spend the extra time to really, you know, make them look as perfected and false lash effect as I typically would. I almost always, 9 times out of 10, reach for a gloss when I'm strapped for time. This is the e.l.f. Modern Metals lip gloss. Beautifully wet and shimmery and just makes your lips look so juicy, so much bigger. And just, you know, I love that like pouty big lip look. Today I am styling a 3rd day hair. I've been sleeping with my hair the past 2 nights up in a scrunchie, so it's starting to get like a little bit of a weird bend that's starting to stick out like this. It just feels a little bit dry. It doesn't look as shiny, and the roots are really greasy. So one of my favorite styles for, you know, 3rd day or past hair is doing a low bun or ponytail. So what I like to do is start off with my hairbrush, and I will just part my hair straight down the middle, or as straight down the middle as I, well no, that's to the side. I'll just part my hair down the middle, or as close to the middle as I can get it. And then using my brush, I'm just gonna gather my hair at the nape of my neck, just like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't really care that it looks super perfect. I just want it to look better, you know what I mean? And then I make sure to get all these little baby hairs that I have at the nape of my neck. Okay, and then once I feel like it's pretty smooth, and then with my hair right at the nape of my neck, I'm going to secure it with my hair tie. I have a bunch of baby hairs that are like impossible to get, but whatever. So just secure it right at the base of your head. I also have all these little baby flyaways. So I'm gonna take some of the Orbe Smooth Style Serum. This stuff is amazing for just getting your hair sleeked to your head. And like you guys saw all that. It just tames all these baby hairs and gets them held down. Because when I have too many of these little baby hairs that stick out, I feel like I look like I have been electrocuted. So I tame them down as much as I can with that Smooth Style Serum. I take a little bit of hairspray. This is 1-800-HOLD-ME from IGK. And I will further spray down baby hairs that are closer to the root. Just like this. Again, I'm not fixating on it looking super perfect. I just want it to look like I tried. This is also a game changer if you really want to look a little bit more elevated and don't want to have a hair elastic showing. I take a gold ponytail cuff. I got this off Amazon. It was like 10 bucks. It springs open just like this. So you just open the ponytail cuff like this, and then attach it into, well, onto your ponytail band, and you'll hear it click. It hides the ponytail elastic, makes you look a little bit more put together because you don't just have an elastic around your ponytail. It's more of like a accessory piece. Okay, time for outfit. So this is essentially like my uniform during fall winter months. You can do so many different variations of this outfit, but this is just generally what I would wear. So I'm wearing a white sweater. This is from Zara. And then I am wearing, well, they're unbuttoned right now because I literally just put them on. These, well, out of focus. These are a gold jeans. They're super high-waisted, which I love because you can tuck your top into them. They also look really amazing with crop tops, but I like tucking my sweater in. But I like tucking my sweater in like this. I think it just elevates an outfit a little bit. So these I'm gonna throw on a belt. This is a brown croc belt. It's from And Other Stories. I love throwing a belt on with a simple outfit. I think it just gives a nice break in the outfit. Again, I just think it's an accessory piece that kind of helps make the outfit look a little bit more put together. And with the shirt tucked in, I just think it looks really nice. Okay, I have no way. I'm like doing the splits right now because my tripod is screwed up. Okay, so I have I have two pairs of shoes that I'm bouncing back and forth between right now. So the first are these white booties. They're actually more of a bone. They're bone leather booties. These are from Everlane. I wear these pretty much every single day. And if I'm not wearing those, then I'm wearing my Superga platform white sneakers. They are shredded. I think by summertime I'll need a new pair. The backs are just absolutely torn up because I wear these day in and day out. I love these. They're just a nice little bit of an elevated sneaker. Essentially the everyday outfit all put together plus the booties, which I can't get in frame, but here are the booties. So the high-waisted denim, a Goldie jeans or a gold, whatever you want to say. These are some of my favorite denim. These are some of my favorite jeans. They make a lot of my favorite jeans. I love a Goldie. Some type of belt just to break up the outfit and some type of like white or beige top. You guys know I wear a ton of white. So there would typically be like two go-to jackets that I would wear. The first one being a, why am I holding my camera remote? A beige or camel blazer. This one is from Zara. It has shoulder pads and I like how it comes down a little bit lower. So it just looks a little bit more oversized, a little bit more effortless. I like how it's a little bit bigger on me so it looks more casual. I even like pulling up the sleeves and letting the sweater peek out, or you can, you know, of course, pull up the sweater sleeves as well. But that's a nice way to make it a little bit more casual if you don't want it to look like that. But I personally like where it hits. I like the little bit more oversized vibe that it has. Okay, so yeah, this is outfit number one. I would typically use this bag. This is the bag I've been using the most recently. It's from Looks Like Summer. It's a little shoulder briefcase bag. So this would be look number uno. And then the second look that I would do would essentially be the same thing. This is a wool coat from Topshop. It's a little bit lighter of a color. And this is much longer, as you can see. Goes down to my knees. And again, I like when a coat is just a little bit big. It gives you room to put layers underneath. And it also just makes it feel a little bit less stiff. I don't like when my coats and blazers are really tight and suctioned to me. I feel like I don't get as much movement. So I love to have things that are just a size and a half to maybe even sometimes like 2 sizes bigger. And then with the bag. So this would be essentially the same look, but I think it looks a little bit different. And yeah, this is like my go-to look when I'm strapped for time. I always know that this will look good if I have a little bit more of a structured bag either my booties or my sneakers, a high-waisted pair of denim, some sort of belt to accessorize the outfit with, and then a jacket or a blazer. Okay, so that is everything I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. I have no idea how to film outfit videos yet, but I just thought this would be really helpful to show you guys hair, makeup, and outfit when I'm in a rush, and my go-to outfit as well. So if you have any questions regarding any of these products, please feel free to hit me up in the comments down below. I always do my best to get back to every single one of you guys. Please also leave comments down below. Let me know if you guys want me to keep doing these types of videos, if you guys want me to start doing some outfit videos. I post all my outfits on Instagram, so if you are interested in seeing more fashion content from me, a lot of it is on Instagram. But I have gotten like a handful of requests here and there to start doing some fashion videos on YouTube as well. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Please come follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And I would love it if you guys would leave a comment down below just to say hi. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye guys.